good background, but it has a lot of glitter in it. I want plain ones, but if you try the glitter, I would love to see that. But I keep moving, huh? This looks like a chain, but it's really cool. So cool, it's elastic, so just trim off the excess. You can keep it right here if you want to use for some else, for some shorter nails or whatever it is. Make sure you don't try to touching it on that adhesive part. Put it on the side, and it's come with like a different design too. 2-pack of this. And I'm using the other end of the tweezers and carefully move it around. Really cool. And let's see, we're gonna working with this. We already use that one. Maybe I should use this one, should I? It's different. Oh, this one is super cute. Let's place it right here and see how it takes us. And then maybe I should dress that one up instead of putting chains. Oh, looks so cool. So really cool though. If you are doesn't matter, you can put it right here. If you are doing just a sticker only, it looks really stunning. You can just finish it like that and then top coat, doing a condensed glue gels and top coat to encapsulating this, and you being good to go. If you want some crystal on this, you absolutely can play. This is really stunning. So I almost did this one because this might be a little bit busy, so I did the solid black. It turned out cool though. I really like it. So now I'm gonna do is condensed glue gel. Using my condensed glue gel so then I can encapsulating and crystal placement at the same time. It's really thick density. You can see that each time you're using not much, a little go a long way. Hold on, I'm gonna make sure I'm gonna get in the right spot for both Facebook and Instagram and YouTube. Make sure you cover good. And with this, your questions, I usually after finish, if I'm not cleaning up after live videos, I'm gonna wipe it off completely. You see that is not much of residues here. And it's important that I always have the cap, because I love about our brush is have the cap in there. So you don't want to get it's like really thick of residues, like all that the excess condensed glue gel is really thick density. If you don't clean it and you put it in here, like after a few times, it start building up really bad, and it's gonna really destroy your brush inside. So just wipe it off, and then you put the cap on. And after you finish with cleanse, you can absolutely clean. It doesn't take you so much time, but it saves your brush. It lasts so long. So I'm using no wipe top coat, and the second step of crystal placements and encapsulating glitter and stickers floating on the top of your unclear condensed glue gels. And with this one, ooh, I'm so excited. Can't wait to see what we can do with this. I have like 1,000 of different ideas, but then I think not much space for me, but I will try to put to play with this. Here is my really cool collection. I just separate them into both trays so I can see designs better. And I'm a champagne color. This one is what's it called? Whimsical. Just feeling it missing something. Oh, I can't wait to play with all of this. And I just don't want to dress everything up and I cover and tie their stickers. So I'm gonna go easy with this. Because otherwise you're like, Nancy, it looks really great, and then you cover everything. I will try to be easy with this. A lot of cute rose gold. Just a little bit right there. It's got a lot of details on it. Also. Hold on. Maybe this one. Good. If you're happy with this, we're gonna key this one for 60 seconds. And we'll do precision glue right after.